In this video, we'll try to build a silent keyboard that is good for office use. So I bought the RK84 from Royal Kludge. In the box, you'll see a user manual, magnetic feet to raise the height, some extra switches, keycap and switch puller, USB charging cable, it's USB-C to USB-C with an A converter, and the main keyboard. The dongle holder is magnetic as well. On the back, a charging port and two USB-A cables, then the on and off switch, and the dongle and Bluetooth switches. The keyboard has lots of lighting effects and it has full RGB as well. The keyboard comes with a frame that has a logo on the front, but if you don't want it, you can just flip it around so that the logo faces the back side. No need to repaint. For the switches, I bought the Boba U4s. These are silent linears and it's perfect for our build. This is going to replace the stock red switches. Here is a quick sound test. I also bought some keycaps, but you can totally skip this part. Now here is the RK84 with the kazoo switches in an office environment. The kazoos are definitely much heavier than the Royal Kludge. I also bought an under PCB foam and an FE foam. Upon opening the keyboard, I found out that there's already a foam underneath the case and that there's a foam in between the plate and the PCB, as you can see here. Also, I didn't touch the stabilizers because I found that they don't wobble, and that's good enough for me. Here's a quick sound test with just the under PCB foam. Since it's the weekend and I've got nothing to do, I decided to lube the switches. So here is my workflow in terms of lubing the switches. I placed the loop switches on ZNX and let's hear it. Now let's hear our final build compared to my Redragon Cherry Blue keys. And that's it for this video, guys. If you like it, please help my channel by subscribing, liking this video, and if you have some questions, please type it in below.